Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you reset your quick access into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to reset your quick access, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. And after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this icon into top left corner. Just simply tap into that icon, and after that you will get to see this quick access page directly. Now you just simply have to tap into this edit button in order to reset your quick access. After coming into this circular button right here into quick access, now you just simply have to tap into that, and then your quick access will be reset in here. This way you can very easily reset your quick access into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.